So I don't need to come out every day upon live Jamaica 87. It don't make no sense. Thank you, brother. Because I already do the work already. I may prepare myself for the next term with Prime Minister Andrew Michael Holness. Because none of you back and belly labor right we only love handout. I only work when I get pay. I only talk when I get money. Can't take MunchieB out of the Jamaica Labour Party. Not today. Not yesterday and not tomorrow. None of you can take me out. So you could rise up, you could reel up, you could scream out a one MunchieB. And if you don't realize my name, raise now to Madam Speaker. One Madam Speaker on the app, you can't take me off. Not dear. I never want to put me pan here. I never want to put me pan here. I never call no labor and say, come support me. When me turn on my live and start the live on TikTok, me never call no labor on their phone and say, me I go live now, come support me. When me turn on my live 3 years ago, me never call Belmont Road and say, me I come live, come support me. Me turn on my live in my house, when me I pay my bills in and me start to talk. And me start to make nice. Who come, who not come. I saw me reach on TikTok. So none of you can take me off. I'm sorry. None of you can take me off. I know me impactful. Me don't need no boy or no girl to tell me if me impactful. Me know so me impactful. Because anywhere we go, I'm my Prime Minister. As him see me so, he not tell me how me not easy. As my Prime Minister see me so, I me throw my hand around him. Him say, Lord, you're not easy, you know. Ask him. Ask my Prime Minister about MunchieB. Ask Mrs. Holness about MunchieB. Ask any minister. And when you not ask them about MunchieB, ask them if me ever call him and beg them $1. Ask them if me ever call him and beg them a toll fare. Ask them if me ever beg them for gas. Ask them if me beg them for school fee for my daughter. When you not call him and ask them about MunchieB, ask them if MunchieB is a handout labor right or is a quid for co labor right. Ask them if MunchieB is a labor right will only move when she get something. Ask them about me. None of you can take me to a Labour Party. And none of you can stop me from coming on TikTok. And none of you can stop me from share my views because I'm in a nobody pocket. Me no in a no minister pocket. Me no in a no MP pocket. I'm in a nobody pocket. Ask my MP about me. I'm not supposed to know because me say no infiltrate me MP and I try itch up on her. But me sure say she tell her no say this a one girl when I call her phone for nothing. Me know she's supposed to tell her no that say anything when it come to me. Anyone who see me go for Labour Party, no minister no carry me there. No MP no bring me there. No MP no give me a toll. Tell them about me. Ask Rhoda about me. Sometimes Rhoda see me a place, she shocked to see me and ask me what me I do ya so. Ask her. Ask Rhoda about me. Anywhere she go and see me, she asks me if me there at home and if me alright. She not my MP not for call me. Me don't even have a group with my MP. I am not even in a group with my MP because me a move. Me no need me a one labor right. Me no need nothing for move for my party. Andrew Holness me say. Andrew Holness me say when me a move. A one view and one determination me have when me a move. Andrew me say. So you say anyone who see me with Labour Party and me spend my money and go. No Labour minister, no security minister, no Belmont Road never put gas in my car when you see me a move. Me no like Uno. Me no hand out Labour right like Uno. Me no itch up on minister for nothing. Ask Pernell Charles about me. Ask Pernell Charles about me if I'm up on TikTok. She see me. Anytime you see me and the minister talk up on TikTok, when me come off of TikTok, me and him not talk again till me see him on TikTok again. And when I give somebody a message, figure the minister, and they say, don't give me a message, go and text him yourself. Me not bad a politician. Me not bad if me don't want handout politician would have stay in a PNP. Me not bad a politician. Me a one girl, not bad a politician. That's why all of them love me. Because they know say me a no handout girl when they see me, me not beg nothing. That's why every minister when they see me, I mean draw them aside and never say they not come yet. Then no minister never see me and tell me say Munchie me soon come. Because they know when me call them about party business, me I talk to them about. None of them can say me ever say, me have this or me have that, I beg you this or beg you that. Ask my MP about me. Ask my MP about me. Me no nothing. Me no beggy. Me no licky. Me no handout. Ask my MP about me. And my MP know where me live. And one time my MP ever come at my gate from me live here. So and when me I work and she see me at my workplace and me tell her where she live. And she show up at my house. And I fall asleep and me tell my daughter say, look out for the MP. The MP a come. And my daughter say, mommy, me not going out there. She go out there, come out there no. Because me no want to take my pitch down and put up and my daughter never go. And my MP never come back at my gate again. So don't play with me. Don't play with me. Me no handout labor right. Me no licky labor. Me no quit for call labor right. Me no need nothing for move for my party. Me no mix and mingle. Oh, no MP can send me out. No MP can give me no news. Cause me no handout, girl. Yeah? Me sure me gonna know that about me. Oh. So none of you can style me. None of me know no bad mind because I see how everybody move around me. I don't see how everybody move me and how every minister, every MP right across Labour Party, down to Tufton. Not to hear me talk about health sector, down to Tufton. Me can't show no text in my message. Anytime he text Minister Tufton about the health sector, me have a question for ask him, me text him, good morning, Minister. It's such and such and such and such and such. And he will say, I'm going to get back to you. And couple days, he'll get back to me. Anytime you see me text him, ask Terry Lang. Me have Terry Lang number. Ask me if I call him and beg him something yet. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Me no handout labor like you can't stop with MunchieB. Make sure tell you that. No dear at all. So no can't come for me because you not a file for me. Clap that. You not a file for me. You not a secret for me. Clap that. Make sure tell you that. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Because me no handout labor right. Oh, nobody not to put no gas in my car when me a move. When me a go sent and go support. Matthew don't even know me. Matthew don't even know me. When me a go sent and go support Matthew when the by-election and me put gas in my car and pay a toll and go down a St. Anne. Matthew never send none come give me kind never send call me. Me love my party so me up and down behind my party. When me go a funeral and say Matthew, me not even go a funeral, me not go bother him. Me is a girl, when me love my party, me a move towards my party. Me not look for nothing like uno. Me a no handout girl like uno. No time. So no can't clap no tea for me. And no can't bring me down. No can't tell me say me no impactful. Because when it come to impact, when it come to research, when it come for information, none of uno can walk in my shoes. Wanna hear about? Me is versatile. Me can't talk about politics. Me can't talk about sports. Me can't talk about international. Me can't talk about mix up. And me and MunchieB. Me versatile. And when me no know, me ask people who know and then tell me. You can't come for me. You can't come for me no dear. Let me tell you that. You cannot come for me no dear. Because me no send out girl for no MP. Me no send out boy. Me not have to eat up in a no group. I mean nobody not have to give me no gas to move. Ask Chopper. If me a come a Belmont Road and me a pay toll and buy gas. 3 toll. 3 toll me pay. When me a go town go eat up in a party business. 3 tolls me pay. Nobody no give me no gas. Belmont Road no give me no gas. You no play with me. You no bad mind me because you see how me move. And every minister like me. When they see me, me don't even have to introduce myself. Everybody like me because they know say me is for the party and me is for Andrew Wholeness. I may go talk about anything once it affect Andrew. I'm not busy with Rosie. I mean, I don't have business with Donovan. I'm only business with Andrew Wholeness. I want to now bring down my party leader. Me I bring you down back with no apology. I don't talk. Once you know in a WhatsApp group and I bring down my party leader and it come out in a public, me I go bring you down back. I want to have no secret for me. Because anything you want to cost me, if you not dig up my past and cost me about my past, Rebel that say talk about now. Talk about now. But I say me perfect. I mean not have past. If you don't want to go dig, you can't go dig. But talk about now. You can't come for me. You can't want to come for the party leader and bring down the party leader. And if you smile and laugh. When I smile and laugh, you know, because you are Eden. You love Andrew Wholeness. You love likes. You love likes someone who can get. And that's when I love Andrew Oldness. I realize if I'm going to go up on Cliff Hughes and bring down nephew, on worse and I like me, but I me never like on first. I me never like on first. Remember, me no friendly. Remember, me no itch up. I me never like on first. Make sure tell you no, and me, MunchieB never like on first. Me no friendly. Me no itch up. Me no beggy. Me no licky. Ask Mario when me come a Portmore if he give me any gas. Ask Mario when me drive my car come a Portmore if he put any gas in my car. Ask him if he pay any toll for me. Ask him if he put any gas and pay any toll for when me come a Portmore. Ask him that. Ask Miss Chin when me come down. Ask Miss Chin and Rusty when me come down a Clarendon with Pernell Charles if they put any gas in my car if they pay any toll for me. Ask them. Call them and ask them if they put in. Ask Terry Long if I'm to come and St. Catherine can support him. If they put any gas in my car and pay any toll for me. 3 toll me pay. Ask him. Ask St. James people them when me go at the big mass meeting we keep at St. James before the election. If anybody did pay any toll for me, buy any gas or put me up in a hotel room. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't try me. Don't try me. Come here, no licky, handout, labor right like Uno. I mean, not take back that. Because Uno now drive out to no car unless you no get gas. Uno now drive out to no car unless you no get toll. Uno now move unless minister go no money. Uno can't chat to me. You hear me tell you no? Uno can't bring me down. Oh, Uno cannot bring me down. Me I tell you no that. Not there. Because nobody know no secret for me. Ask my MP Rhoda Mike Crawford if she ever come on my yard and drop off a brown paper. Ask my MP Rhoda Mike Crawford if she ever come on my yard and drop off a brown paper. Ask her if she ever drop off a tank of water. Ask her if she ever drop off a tank of water. Ask her if she ever drop off a care package at my gate. Ask her. Call her and ask her if she ever drop off a care package at my gate. Call her and say she ever drop off a care package. Call her and say she ever put gas in my car and tell me if I come. 90% of the time when Rhoda see me someplace, she asks me if me alright. When you go to area council, and when I go to area council, she see me. And she asks me if I'm alright and I want something strong for drink. Don't play with me. Me a no handout girl. Me a no licky girl. Me a no nyami girl. You no can't bring me down. Not there. Yes, Malmich, every day because I work. Me a stay-at-home wife. Me no work. Me have all day. Me have 24 hours to talk if I want to. This is my phone. This is my house. So me can come on my phone anytime I want. Me no under no jurisdiction. Me no like some girl. We have to ask them man if they can turn on phone. Don't play with me. You can't bring me down. You can't bring me down. Me I tell you no. You cannot stop me from talk about Rosie or anything we go on at the Labour Party. As long as Andrew Michael Oldness is the party leader, you cannot stop me from talk about nothing. I mean, not take back my talk. I don't care about what Rosie want to do or what she want to say. She called me party leader name and me run out. That is it. If she never took call me party leader name, I wouldn't care. Because the dead bury their deads down there, I don't care. If the party want to run back Rosie, then run back Rosie. If they don't want to run back Rosie, then run back Rosie. I don't care. My argument is very, very clear. The party leader call, me run out. What do I mean? You can't muzzle me. After me not the panoply list. Me not the panoply list, you can't muzzle me. You can't muzzle me. You can't bring me down. Me tell you already, you can't bring me down. Because in order for you to bring me down in a Labour Party, you have to have secret for me. And none of you know. Me happy. None of you can say, MunchieB this. I mean, no bad mind me. Because you see how me move. You see how every single, when I go to Labour Party function, you see how every part people move from me. Then I have to hide from me. Then I have to duck my call. Then I have to hide from me. Then I have to duck my call. When me text my MP, whether she not parliamentary, and I text her and say MP Ropes, she answer and say yes or whatever. Because she knows she not me a beg. My MP knows she not me a beg. My MP knows say me is a voter and all me want is for Andrew Holness to be the Prime Minister. That is all my desire. My only desire in the Labour Party is for Andrew Michael Holness to remain the leader of the party and the Prime Minister. What are your guys' aspirations? What you want? What you want? You want Andrew Holness to lead the party? A self-serve, not self-serve. You want Andrew Holness to lead the party? A something you look. A something you look. Every day you complain, the party this, the party that, the party this, I'm now vote, I'm 100 for lose. You know 100 for win. I something you look if you not get something you no move. I something you look. I something you look. A handout you look, just like the PNP, a handout you look. At any time you not get nothing you want, you no cost the party and cost Andrew Holness and leak information to the PNP. That is what you no do. Anytime you not get what you want, you no unhappy. You no cost the party, you no cost the party leader, you no cost Dr. Chang, and you leak information to the PNP. That's all you no do when you not happy. When you can't get food no handout. When you not happy. When you can't get when you call the minister and beg and you not get what you want, you no unhappy. We don't run up and down in a group. Oh, the party, the party this, the party that. Anything you hear me talk about the ministry and the minister publicly is because I care about the party and the government and I want Andrew Holness to win. You will never catch me and say, I want Andrew to lose. I'm not going to hear me talk about the health sector. I tell you no. Anytime I see great improvement under Dr. Christopher Tufton, I will be the first one to say, guys, Don't Mandeville regional look really good. Yeah, man. Me see well if I improvement, me go on this. Maybe be the first to come out and tell you no, because me no shy. I will be the first to come out and say, yes, man, guys. Remember, you know, when my MP now go on good, you know, me no run for turn on phone and cuss, you know. But when she a go on good, me turn on back phone and say she a go on good too. Me turn on back phone and say me MP a go on good too. Anytime anytime me not happy with my MP, me turn on my phone and my MP know say me not happy. Anytime me not happy with Tufton, me turn on my phone and they don't know me not happy with Tufton. Anytime me not happy with somebody, so that me done. When the bell ring and a voting time, me gone like a kite. When the bell ring and a voting time, me throw gas in my car and me run out. When me I got Portland, I don't know. When me I got Portland, I run up and down back at Miss Baz, I put gas in my car. When you put gas in my car when I got Portland and run back at Mrs. Vaz, I want to do that. When you put gas in my car, I forgot Portland, I follow back at Miss Vaz. When I got Portland, I follow back at the guy where we know now in a Central St. Mary. One of the day. One of the day when we put gas in a car, I got Central St. Mary, I run back at the guy where we know in a heaven and earth say, nah, go in. Me no move with money. Money no move me in a Labour Party. If me the one handout, would have stay in a PNP because 90% of my family are PNP. And I'm telling you this before, I'm going to tell you this again. When the candidate for the PNP come at East Rural St. Andrew, and my uncle Yarding come. So all me have to do is wash my foot all it up with coconut oil and scroll go down, they go meet him and greet him. If me want. Me no short or nothing. If me want handout, me stay a PNP. Because nothing can drop a St. Andrew in a PNP and me no get. Because my uncle is the head cook and the buckle washer up there. Do no serve you, no find out. Every candidate that go to St. Andrew have to stop at my uncle yard. Every bag and pan where I come have to come at my uncle yard. So all me do, tidy in my bad pan, lotion up my foot with coconut oil, stroll go up a yard and call it me handout if a handout me want. Me join Labour Party because me believe in a Andrew Michael Holness. Me join Labour Party because me believe that Andrew Holness is better for the country. Me join Labour Party because me believe that Andrew Holness is making it better for my child and my children, my daughter. Me join the Jamaica Labour Party because me see that Andrew Holness I put the country first and people first. So me not none of the Buster man till Labour right can't take me out. Cause you never put me over here. You never put me over here. So none of you can't take me out. I know I'm out barking and talking and can't take me out of Labour Party. Because some of them no make no sense in a Labour Party. Because if I alone people not vote for Andrew. If a people like Uno, people don't vote for Andrew because Uno are tear down and bring down. Uno not bring over not one single independent in the Labour Party. Some of Uno will claim to say Uno Buster man to Labour rights. Uno not bring over not one single voter. Because Uno hand out Labour rights. I want not get no tear down the party, want not get no handout. Me never see Uno turn on Uno live and make video talk about street light and road for fix and water yet. Uno ever talk about what Uno no get. Uno ever talk about what Uno no get and what Uno benefit from. I saw anytime Uno turn off Uno phone, I fi criticize the party about what Uno no get. Me never saw Uno turn on the phone and say, Jesus God, look up on that Patrick, me want some street light. Rhoda, we need some street light. Rhoda boy, me that love some water. Me never saw no turn on phone when I talk about policy. Me never saw no turn on the phone about policy yet. I want to know what policy. Me can Google what policy mean. Me never saw no turn on phone about policy yet. Never. Uno always talk about handout and what uno no get. I want to know uno can't move because uno no get none. Me never saw no turn on. Remember my long-standing Labour right them can back me up on this. After burial, me was one of the first Labour rights to turn on my phone and tell uno say, me tell Rhoda from day one, say Rhoda, get some solar light. Allow me to tell Philippian. Allow me to tell Philippian. Me was one of the first Labour rights to turn on my phone and say, me tell me MP, say MP, buy some solar light so that anything, the middle class people can have light. See me MP, I put up solar light. Don't chat, you can't chat to me about policy. You cannot talk to me about policy. Me, MunchieB, turn on my phone right after burial and tell you, say, my MP have a letter down upon our desk when me tell her about the solar. Me always talk about solar light, Selena. Me always talk about solar light. Me always talk about housing for young people. Long before the Prime Minister decides, say, go do a big housing project and put in housing for young people. Me always turn on my phone and I talk about policy. What I mean? What I talk about? What I mean? Me always talk about it.